One of the many good places on Roosevelt Row is Carly's Bistro, located just a few blocks away from campus.
I am a server bartender at Carly's in downtown Phoenix. I've worked here for a little over a year and a half. The type of crowd that we draw in is usually a big local art crowd, being located on Roosevelt Row. We have a lot of people from the area that come and dine. Super casual, really laid back. A lot of great local beers on tap always. Good fresh local food. Sandwiches, salads, just really casual, laid back art scene.
However, the art scene and the casual environment isn't the only thing that draws in locals. 19-year-old Kelsey Ray, who is seen eating, enjoys the cappuccinos and grilled cheeses at Carly's Bistro.
I always come here before I work at the Nash because I love their grilled cheese and the soup, and I love their cappuccinos, so it's always good, gets me up and pumped for the jazz night. So I love this place. I love Carly's.